Hi everyone, welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Ever looked at a pile of recyclables and saw a world-class adventure waiting to happen? Today, we are turning your backyard into a high-energy playground without spending a dime. From tire tunnels to sensory paths, let's build an epic obstacle course that will keep the kids active all spring long. Look at these old tires. They used to be on the road, but now they are a vibrant gateway to adventure. By painting them in these soft, creamy pastels, we have turned something heavy and industrial into a soft, inviting tunnel. Imagine the kids' faces as they crawl through this rainbow path, feeling the cool grass under their hands. It is simple, it is sturdy, and it is a perfect example of how a little bit of color can spark endless joy. Wooden pallets are basically the building blocks of a great backyard. We have sanded these down until they are smooth as silk, creating a tiered landscape for jumping and climbing. There is a real sense of accomplishment when a child reaches that top platform. It is not just wood and nails. It is a mountain to be conquered. This setup feels so high-end and clean, yet it cost almost nothing to put together. Truly a backyard game changer. Bowling in the garden. Yes, please. These upcycled bottles, filled with shimmering, colorful sand, look like something out of a boutique toy store. The weight of the sand makes that clack sound so satisfying when the ball hits home. It is a game of focus and excitement. Watching the rainbow of bottles tumble over the green grass is pure magic. It is proof that you do not need fancy equipment to have a professional-looking, fun-filled afternoon. There is something so nostalgic about Hopscotch, but we are giving it a modern, tactile twist. These hula hoops, wrapped in soft, neon-braided cord, feel incredible underfoot. They create a rhythmic, bouncy path that invites every child to start jumping. It is visual, it is energetic, and it brings such a bright pop of energy to the lawn. It is a simple layout, but the handcrafted texture makes it feel luxurious and special for the little ones. Never underestimate the power of a cardboard box. We have taken heavy-duty boxes and turned them into a sleek, modular labyrinth. With these clean-cut portholes and sharp designer tape, it looks more like an architectural installation than a pile of recycling. Kids love the mystery of what is around the next corner. It is a quiet, focused space for them to explore. It is amazing how such a humble material can create such a deep sense of wonder. Who knew old milk jugs could look this stylish? By hanging them at different heights with thick cotton rope, we have created a floating target range that dances in the wind. The glossy primary colors make them stand out beautifully against the white fence. It is a game of skill and patience. Hearing that soft thud as a beanbag lands inside is so rewarding. It is light, it is airy, and it adds a wonderful vertical dimension to our course. This low-profile crawl frame is all about sleek lines and hidden surprises. The matte white pipes look so modern, and those hanging fabric strips add a touch of sensory play as the kids wiggle through. It is like moving through a soft, colorful waterfall. The structure is incredibly light but stays perfectly in place. It encourages kids to stay low and move fast. It is a clean, minimalist obstacle that packs a huge punch of fun and movement. Balance is the ultimate challenge. These industrial buckets, painted in sophisticated earthy tones, act as sturdy anchors for our reclaimed timber beams. It looks like a professional training course right in your backyard. Watching a child concentrate, one foot in front of the other, is just beautiful. The combination of the natural wood and the matte-painted buckets creates such a serene, high-end look. It is a steady, rhythmic obstacle that builds confidence with every single step. This is where the course really comes to life with movement. These hundreds of silk and cotton streamers create a shimmering wall of color that flutters with every breeze. Running through them feels like a celebration. The fabric is soft, the colors are vibrant, and the energy is just infectious. It is a high-impact visual that turns the backyard into a festive playground. It is purely about the joy of motion and the beauty of recycled materials in flight. Sometimes the best path is a winding one. This retired garden hose has been reimagined as a meditative labyrinth. It is a slower, more focused part of the course where kids follow the spiral all the way to the center. It looks like a piece of line art resting on the grass. The silver stakes give it a polished, intentional finish. It is a quiet moment of focus amidst the high energy, showing that even old tools can find a new, peaceful purpose. Let's make some music. These sealed plastic containers, filled with vibrant water, turn the ground into a giant liquid xylophone. Each stomp produces a different sound and a splash of color under the lid. It is tactile, it is noisy, and the kids absolutely love it. The translucent neon colors glow beautifully in the sunlight. It is a sensory explosion that rewards every jump. It is the perfect high-energy finale to our creative, upcycled backyard obstacle course journey. It is truly amazing what you can achieve with a little bit of paint and some forgotten items from the garage. We have covered everything from balance beams to fabric streamers, proving that a dream playground doesn't need a massive budget. If you found these ideas inspiring, please hit that like button, subscribe to KiraStyle Garden, and comment below with your favorite obstacle.